Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Lee's Famous Recipe Chicken app is and how it's positioned. The Lee's Famous Recipe Chicken app is an official mobile app developed by LFR Chicken, LLC, designed as a digital platform for ordering food and accessing rewards, based on current App Store and Google Play listings. According to official descriptions, users can browse the menu, customize meals, and place orders directly through the app for convenience. The app also includes a loyalty system where users can earn rewards, access exclusive deals, and receive promotional offers tied to their account. A built-in store locator allows users to find nearby restaurant locations and get directions, which is listed as a core feature. Some versions of the app include QR-based check-in or receipt scanning to earn rewards, which is mentioned in official update notes and may vary by location. This may indicate that certain features depend on participating stores rather than being universally available, so functionality could differ between locations. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Privacy disclosures indicate that data such as location, contact information, and identifiers may be collected and linked to users, although this is developer-reported and not independently verified. This app may be useful for people who frequently visit Lee's and want a centralized way to manage orders and rewards. For users interested in restaurant apps that combine ordering, location tools, and loyalty tracking, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.